slower. Play the pattern, as simple as that. And oh, my pinky, index, remove. And I know you've definitely seen this arpeggio, this technique before in other videos. And it's pretty cool, right? It makes chords sound awesome, right? Look at that. And I'm sure you probably want to learn it, but at the same time you're like, nah, it looks complicated. I'm a beginner right now, I'm still learning guitar. I know a few chords, they don't sound as well, blah, etc. But trust me when I tell you that this pattern is really easy to learn, right? It seems complicated because it's repeating itself. Look at this. But the real pattern is pretty much this. That's it. And once you learn that, you're set. You just have to repeat the pattern. And you can change chords, do some finger style, but the right hand will remain the same. So trust me when I tell you that you're gonna learn this finger style technique on this video right here. I want you to focus up, no distractions. If boyfriend, girlfriend, they're texting you, tell them, hey, you know, I'm going to the bathroom, I'm going to the store, I don't know. Tell them to give you a couple minutes. Let's focus up in this video and let's learn this finger style technique. Come on, let's do it. Alright, so before we begin, if you like my content, you like my videos, it'll be great if you could subscribe. It's actually my dream if I could commit to this channel 100%. Just make videos every day for you guys. Man, that would be awesome. So hey, if you like my content, it'll be great if you could subscribe. I'll appreciate it a lot. So first, we're gonna learn the pattern with the right hand, okay? And after we learn it, because I'm sure you're gonna learn it 100%, we're gonna jump to playing with some chords and actually doing some finger style technique. So you can start playing with different chords. So come on, let's jump at the guitar. All right, so we're gonna focus up right now with the right hand, okay? We'll jump with chords and all that later. We're gonna jump and work the pattern right now. We're gonna make it pretty easy, okay? So first you're gonna see the number 6 and the word thumb, which means basic stuff, which means you're gonna play the 6th string and with your thumb, just like this. That's it. It's a good start, pretty easy. That's about it, okay? And then the next step will be, you'll see the number 2 and the ring finger. So those two are gonna be together by parentheses, which means you're gonna play both at the same time. As easy as this. You just put your ring finger right under the 2nd string, thumb right on top of the 6, and you play both together. Let's do it. There you go, just like that. Once again, 6th string and 2nd string at the same time. Perfect, nice. So now you're gonna see the 3rd moon coming in, which will be 4th string with your index finger. That's about it. Pretty simple. Now you combine the first 3 steps and it's gonna sound like this. You're halfway through, come on. I told you it's gonna be easy. There we go. Now the 4th move is gonna be your middle finger and 3rd string. Just like that. There we go, you got it. One more time. We're gonna play all 4 moves and they're gonna go like this. As easy as that. Once again. It doesn't matter if you play it slow, as long as you can learn the pattern, right? You don't need to rush. Just keep it simple. One more time, just to make sure we got it. Right after that, a 5th move will come in, and you're gonna see 6th string and thumb coming up again. So we played all the patterns so far, and it's gonna sound like this. Just go slow. We're almost done, to be honest. You start to feel the pattern, right? That's how I look at it, right? I try to, I don't know, play the sounds in my head. Ding, ding. It helps me to remember the pattern and just pretty much save it on my brain. The next move will be second string, ring finger. There we go. Just that. We're gonna play the whole pattern so far and it's gonna sound like this. Do it slow, remember, no need to rush it. Almost done. If you made it all the way here, that's it, you got it. Once again. Awesome, one more time, come on. And to wrap this pattern up, the last step will be, again, fourth string, index finger. That's it. And now, if you play the whole pattern together, do it with me. Here we go. Slow. That's it. A little slower maybe because it's okay to make mistakes. Slower. It doesn't matter if you're playing it slow. What we want is to actually save the pattern in our head. Ding, 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 ding. If you made it all the way here, congratulations, that's it. You did it. Now the fun part begins. Take a look at this. Now that we can play the pattern with our right hand, it's time to spice this thing up. So we're gonna put the G major chord on our left side, okay? You could do whatever chord that you want, but this time we're gonna start with the G major, okay? And play the pattern, as simple as that, and enjoy. Oh my God, isn't it beautiful? You probably got a little smile right now. You didn't think this was possible. Come on. I told you. Right? And one of the cool things about this is that you can just change it up a little bit and get a different sound. For example, right now you're playing the fourth, third, and second string. But what happens if you go down one string and you play third, second, and first string? You're playing the same pattern with the right hand. Only thing is that you're gonna play third, second, and first string. The pattern changes right here. Go ahead, play the same pattern, right? Let's do it. See? And you can change it back to fourth, third, and second string. And play between those two. So you get two different sounds in the same chord. It makes it sound a little more complicated, but like I told you, it is not. It is pretty easy. It's just repeating the pattern, and you're not even moving the left hand. It's just moving the pattern down one step. For example, what happens if we jump to, let's go to the C major chord right here. So you're not gonna be playing the sixth string anymore. You're gonna go down to the fifth, and from there you can start the same pattern again, starting with the first one that I showed you, fourth, third, and second string. Do it. Oh my God, beautiful. So what happens if I start playing with my left hand? Let's say I remove my index finger on the C chord, C major. We put it right back. Remove it. What if we put a pinky finger on the second string, third fret? Remove it. Put index back. Points to whoever recognizes this song, by the way. Oh, That's an easy one, come on. And let's do it on the G chord. Let's do our ring finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And just go ahead, do the pattern, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. Index in, 2nd string, 1st fret. Pinky, index, remove. In, pinky, remove. Index out, index in, pinky out, index out, and just like that. What about if we do it in the E minor chord? I just changed it, you see? I changed to the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. Back to the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. You can just play any chord and it's gonna sound awesome. Whatever you wanna play. Just like that. Just like that. So just like I told you, you can combine both. You can play 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, or 3rd, 2nd, and 1st, play between those two and it's gonna spice it up. Right? And to get into that finger style vibe, you can just start playing with the chord itself. You can just walk around with your fingers. Like I told you in the G chord. Anything really. E minor, like I showed you. Just like that, like I told you, you just learned this finger style technique that seemed complicated at the beginning of the video. Of course, it did seem like that. But once you get into it, you get the hang of the pattern, you start looping the pattern, just going a little faster, playing with different chords. You got it. So first of all, thank you if you made it all the way to this part of the video. I really appreciate that you stuck around. Whatever questions that you have, remember you have the comment section right below. You can drop whatever you want. Even if it's a request for another video, maybe a song, whatever you want to put down there, it's welcome. Remember, if you like my content, you like my videos, the best thing you could do is subscribe to the channel. I mean, it'll mean the world to me. Like I told you, it's my dream to dedicate myself 100% to this channel. And your subscription would definitely help me with that. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.